While I'm cliff jumping, I'm gonna show you how to get back in the boat, in a small boat, if you fall out. Right now I'm standing on a rock, but this water gets super deep right there. So I'm just gonna go out in the deep water and then climb back up. And the way you do it is just with a bow line. If I tried to climb up on the side of the boat, it'll flip like that, all right? I'm too heavy for the sides, and most people are. But if you climb up on the bow, the motor is a counterbalance, and the whole entire length of the boat is a counterbalance to your weight. So I'll demonstrate right now. I'm gonna float the boat out, some deeper water here. All right, this is a canyon edge. This water's like probably 30 feet deep right now. I cannot touch the bottom. So grab your bow line, pull it underwater, and put it under your foot. You want it to look like this underwater. Then wrap the rest of it around something. You should always have areas to tie ropes to or tie loops on, whatever, on your boat. So tie it around something. And now my foot is standing on that rope. Stand right up. My foot is still standing on the rope. See? No hands. And then just crawl right back in. Super easy. If you fall out of your boat and it's not capsized, even if it is capsized, the main thing is don't panic. And that's how you can get back in a small boat. If you like this kind of stuff and you're enjoying these videos, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more of this outdoor living stuff. Thank you. Bye for now.